Hi, I'm Sarah Haverstick, Safety Advocate for EvenFlo. Congratulations on your new Revolve360 Extend. It comes with a convenient, quick clean cover. It's easy to remove, easy to wash, and easy to live with because life throws messes at you when you least expect it. Today, I want to show you how to remove your quick clean cover for the wash. The quick clean cover is designed with smaller, removable pieces to make everyday messes a breeze to clean up. Let's get started. Removing your quick clean cover is easy, but it will take a few steps. First, loosen the harness and raise the headrest. Remove the head pillow and harness covers. Unbuckle the harness. Remove the buckle cover, body pillow, and seat protector pad. Next, remove the headrest cover by taking off the elastics behind the headrest. Pull the headrest cover forward and then remove the elastic from around the shoulder belt guide. Now, locate the orange tags on the side wings. Follow the zipper down to the lower portion of the side wings, unzip, and remove the side wing panel. Repeat this step on the other side of the car seat. The thin fabric behind the side wings will remain in place. The leg rest can also be unzipped and placed in the wash if needed. Place any or all of these items in the wash following our washing instructions for easy cleanup. For bigger messes, you may need to remove the lower portion of the padding. To do so, remove the cup holders and untuck the seat pad from the lower portion of the car seat. This may also be washed following our washing instructions. Now you're ready to clean your cover. If you need further assistance, please call ParentLink customer service for real-time chat support and free live video installation service. Look for ParentLink at evenflo.com.